Hello and welcome to my new technical tricks. In this video I'm going to show you how to repair keyboard button problems. This is my keyboard that I have problem with that. So it means some keyboards buttons are not working correctly. So now I'm going to fix that. So let's repair the keyboard. So now, okay, as you can see, this is okay. These buttons are not working, as you can see. Okay, so to remove, okay, to open the keyboards, you have to remove the screw from the back side. Okay. Okay, remove all the screw from the back side. As you can see, these are the screws. Okay, you need a screwdriver to remove them. This is the screwdriver. Once it removes, when the screw is removed, then remove the cover correctly. If you did not remove the correctly, maybe your keyboard will damage it. Okay, first of all, correctly see from where it opens. And there are. Now you have to see that the main cable is connected to the keyboards. If it doesn't connect it to the keyboard, so first fix that problem. Then now you have to remove all the screws from your keyboards and once you remove all the screws, then see the connected cables and remove them. Yes, remove this and very correctly, and also be careful.
Smart.
Okay, there is two screws available. Remove them. And also remove the paper. Okay, now you have to clean this paper with a piece of towel.